In this video, we'll look at the three body types of all physical bodies within Corona SDK. When working with Corona's built-in physics engine, physical bodies can be one of three types: dynamic, static, or kinematic. Dynamic bodies are fully simulated. They can be moved manually in code, but normally they are moved according to forces like gravity or reactionary collision forces. This is the default body type for physical objects in Box 2D, which is what Corona SDK uses for its built-in physics engine. Dynamic bodies can collide with all other body types. Static bodies don't move under simulation, and they behave as if they have infinite mass. Static bodies can be moved manually by the user, but they don't accept the application of velocity. Static bodies can collide with dynamic bodies, but static bodies don't collide with any other static bodies or kinematic bodies. Kinematic bodies move under simulation only according to their own velocity, and they are not affected by forces and collision. Because of this, a kinematic body can be thought of as a form of hybrid body that's not affected by forces and collisions like a static body, but can be moved with linear velocity like a dynamic body. For example, this is useful if you want to create something like a moving platform in an endless runner game where the platform moves but does not get knocked off the screen when the player jumps and then falls back to the platform. It's important to note that some body types will, or will not, collide with other body types. In a collision between two physical objects, at least one of the objects must be dynamic, since this is the only body type which collides with any other type. Kinematic bodies collide only with dynamic bodies, not with other kinematic bodies or static bodies. Declaring the body type in Corona is done either in line with the physics.addBody call or post-creation using object.bodyType. In this example, crate 1 is defined as dynamic, so it instantly falls and collides with the static ground. Crate 2 and ground are both defined as static, so they don't move. Crate 3 is defined as kinematic with its linear velocity x value set to -60, which causes it to move toward the left side of the screen, but because Crate 2 is static and Crate 3 is kinematic, Crate 3 does not collide with Crate 2. And that's a look at the three body types of all physical bodies within Corona SDK. Learn more about working with Corona SDK at coronalabs.com/university.